Hello friends, welcome back to my video. So in this video, we'll see how to install Docker in Windows machine. As you know, your Docker is a concept of Linux. So if we want to install in Windows or Mac OS, we need the Linux environment and that is given by the Docker desktop. So we'll see how to install the Docker desktop and how it helps to install the Docker images into your Windows system. So let's start. First of all, I need to search for a Docker. So once we click on that, we'll get the official site of Docker, that is docker.com. So once I click on this docker.com, I get this interface. So we are going into the document section here. So once we click on the document section, we have to go get started. So after that, I need to click get Docker. Okay. So in here, you will find the Docker desktop, how to install and other dependencies for Mac, Windows, and Linux. So we need to install the desktop Docker in Windows. So we'll go here and here, if you see, this page will show the Docker desktop binary for Windows. Okay. So if you go down a little bit, you will get some of the information regarding the Docker desktop. What are the installation modes? What are the system requirements? And here you will get all the details, all the dependencies, and all the things are listed here. So you can go through this documentation if you want to get more, but this is not our motto. So the first thing is we need to download Docker desktop for Windows. So once I click into that, here I will get this binary, this installer, and that is of 630 megabytes. Okay, so this installer got installed in our download section. So I'm just opening this installer. Okay, so you will get the configuration, all user installation, and per user installation. This is a beta version. So I will take all user installation and add a shortcut on the desktop. So we'll go for OK. So once I click on that, it will take some time to unpack the files and install this Docker desktop app on our Windows system. So you see here, all the things are being installed. So it's showing installation succeeded. You must go for the logout of the window to complete the this installation. So if I go like this, so now our Docker desktop is being installed in our Windows. We go to the desktop and see if we have a shortcut for that or not. So here, if you see, you get a Docker desktop. If you click on that, you'll get an interface. So this is the agreement. You just need to accept it. And here you will able to log in with your email ID as well. So I'll skip for now. And once you skip on this, your Docker engine, that is a main component for using the Docker, that will be up now. And here you will get this interface. So let's expand it. So there are various things if you see in the left hand side. So I need to check on Windows if the Docker is been installed or not. So if I go to the terminal, and if I run Docker version, you'll get 29.5.2 version is there. Okay. So what else we have? So I'll go back to this thing and I will click on Docker Hub. So here you will get lot of containers that is pre-installed depending on the applications. So I will search for hello world. Okay, so here you will get this hello world Docker, and there are a lot of downloads here. And what I will do here, in spite of downloading this Docker into the Docker desktop from the GUI, I'll try to get this Docker on the terminal. So I'll go back here and I will take Docker run hello world. Okay, so let's wait for some time till we get that hello world library. So if you see here, your Docker hello world, this is a Docker image that got run here. So first it got pulled from the Docker hub, and then after pulling, it will print you this message. So hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appear to be working fine. Okay, so now we are in the state in which your Docker desktop is being installed in your Windows. And here are the things related to the Docker. You can read it, and to try something more ambitious, you can run the Ubuntu container as well. So for now, we just have a Hello World desktop that is pre-compiled, and it's there in Docker Hub. So I tried to download that thing. But if you want a Ubuntu container, okay, for that you need to run this command. Also, there is one more command we can try. We have docker ps-a. So it will list the container that is being executed. Though we are not being, landed out into the Docker container itself, but it just run and come out of that container. So here is the container ID that got executed, and here is the Docker image that is being run, and here is the command. Okay, and their created or status, all the things have been mentioned here. Okay, so if I have Docker images, then you will see the image as well. Okay, so this is the latest version which we have fetched from the Docker hub, and it is taking this type of 25.9 KB of disk uses, and content side and other info is there in Docker images. So if you go directly into the Docker and we try to check our containers here, so if you see here, you will get a hello world container created. So though you fetch that hello world container into the command line, but it's been reflected here as well. We click on this, there is no running container right now. So these are the old containers that got run on the system. So it is not been running right now. So please subscribe to my channel for the latest updates and the new videos regarding the Docker. Thanks.